boy. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. My name is Christopher Belly. I'm a certified CPA accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. And we got to talk about cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency stocks. We're going to talk about Coinbase. We're going to talk about Voyager, and a bunch of other trash out there in the market. Now, there's something about this sell-off in cryptocurrency that feels different. Doesn't it feel different, ladies and gentlemen? Number one, people always told me that cryptocurrency was supposed to be a hedge against inflation. And funny enough, now that inflation is spiking, it's getting out of control. Gas prices going up, everybody's getting squeezed. We're getting squeezed. Apparently, crypto isn't living up to all the hype. So if somebody ever tells you in the future that cryptocurrency is a hedge against inflation, that it's the next gold, the next shiny rock, but digital, they're full of crap, okay? So now that we've completely disproven the fact that cryptocurrency is not a hedge against inflation, what else is it good for? What else are you going to use cryptocurrency for? To transact goods and services? Oh, I already have that. It's called the dollar. Actually, when people pay me, for whatever goods and services I provide, I actually just provide services, many different types of services. They pay me through PayPal, or my tutoring website pays me, or Cash App pays me, and I get my money pretty quick. And for a small fee, I can get my money instantaneously. And when I get paid, well, my work gives me checks, but usually when I get paid, I actually get a direct deposit into my bank account. So can somebody explain to me why I need cryptocurrency to be able to transfer money? I already have that option. I've been having direct deposits into my bank since I started working when I was 22 years old. My first full real job. So, that's another utility that's just completely freaking gone. So it's not a hedge against inflation. It already does something that has already been solved. It's reinventing the wheel. What is cryptocurrency good for? Well, it's good for speculation. But who is it good for? Is it good for the average investor? Or is it good for traders who know how to exploit retail losers? I think it's the latter. Think about the vast majority of people who have been buying into cryptocurrency. Do you think it's the, elite of society? Do you think it's, hedge funds and, high-end financial advisors buying cryptocurrency for their clients? You think it's the rich, the 1%? No, it's not, okay? It's freaking people who can least afford it. How do I know this? Look at what Lazy Jay-Z and Nutsack Jack Dorsey are doing. Better not wake up, girl. They're freaking pumping Bitcoin onto people that live in the projects, people in utter poverty. They're pumping Bitcoin on those people. To me, it's obvious that Bitcoin and all these other cryptos are simply there to fleece the lowest rungs of society out of every last cent that they have. And now we've seen cryptocurrency start to implode. It is a total, complete, and utter scam. Look what happened to Celsius. Oh my God. It's collapsing. Everything's collapsing. Why? Because it's a scam. It's an obvious scam. How many times do I have to tell you people that if something pays you a massively high interest rate, you should automatically discount that as a scam, okay? Unless they're taking a ton of risk. But you go to these crypto brokers and they're paying you 9% interest per year. I think wasn't Voyager paying like double that in some cases? It's all a scam. So now a lot of you are probably considering buying crypto brokers because they've massively sold off, and you may think they're in value territory, okay? I just bought Intel today. I just YOLO'd a massive $500 YOLO into Intel. Why not buy Coinbase? Why not buy Voyager, my Voyager? Why not buy all these other stupid little brokers that are probably out there? Well, let me tell you why. And they are fundamentally based on a worthless pump and dump scam asset. You cannot value these companies. They are impossible to value because their value is based on a fundamentally worthless asset. I don't need to say this apparently I do need to say it over and over again. So if you're out there and you're looking at Coinbase and it's like what, 50 something dollars right now? Oh, it's $50, it's cheap because it's $50. And you look at Voyager, which just got freaking wrecked. You know, crypto's just getting wrecked across the board because I think the Ponzi scheme's starting to collapse. Don't buy this crap, okay? Now, what may happen in the next couple of months? Maybe some of these stocks will recover massively. Maybe, possibly. But does that mean you should still buy it? Does that mean you've made a good investment? No. Do you think if crypto, gets regulated, or, people lose interest in it because they're losing so much money, do you think a lot of these brokers are going to be around in 5 or 10 years? I don't. Every investment that I make, I think is going to be around in 5 or 10 years. I think Baba's going to be around. I think Intel's going to be around. I think VT will definitely be around unless we all get nuked by the aliens or something. Everything, all those companies and that index is going to be around. But it's something like Coinbase, which just completely rips people off. Go on Coinbase and look what they freaking do. Every time you buy, they get a cut. Every time you sell, they get a cut. They are charging massive, insane fees on people, and they are ripping off the poorest people in society. These brokers need to go away and never come back, okay? And you can't value them. It's impossible. You can say whatever you want, but if the crypto market dumps, the brokers dump. If the crypto market explodes, the brokers explode. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Can you predict crypto? I actually saw a post. This is how bad this whole thing has gotten. Susie Orman. You know who she is? She's like this famous, financial lady. I actually used to like her. I thought she was entertaining. She's better than old nutsack Dave. She was doing technical analysis. She made a post about technical analysis on her Facebook page. Susie Orman, why are you talking about resistance levels? Why are you talking about trends and lines on a chart? How far could you have fallen to get involved in this freaking BS? This whole world has gone insane. Keep it simple, ladies and gentlemen. Stay away from cryptocurrency. It's trash. Look what's happening. People are probably losing their life savings because they put all their freaking money in these stupid brokers that are paying out massively high interest rates and lending money to God knows who, probably doing no due diligence, and they're just destroying people's financial lives. You don't want to be involved in this crap, okay? Please heed my word. What do you think? Is crypto bad? Should I put crypto in your college fund? All right, that's my lesson. I might do another video if I can relieve myself of this beast. That's it. Cheers.